The benefits of servicing your vehicle at an authorized service center. Authorized service centers offer expertise, genuine parts, warranty protection, and access to technical information. Technicians at authorized service centers are trained and certified by the vehicle manufacturer. Authorized service centers use genuine parts approved by the vehicle brand for optimal performance and safety. Servicing at an authorized center ensures your warranty remains intact, saving you money on repairs. Authorized centers have the latest technical information, service bulletins, and software updates. Equipped with specialized tools, authorized centers accurately identify and troubleshoot vehicle problems. Authorized centers promptly address recalls and service campaigns, ensuring your vehicle's safety. Authorized centers adhere to strict quality standards, providing high-quality service. Authorized centers install software updates correctly, preventing potential issues. A complete service record from an authorized center enhances your vehicle's resale value. Trained professionals at authorized centers handle your vehicle, giving you peace of mind. Servicing your vehicle at an authorized service center ensures expertise, genuine parts, warranty protection, and peace of mind. Goodautomobile is one of the leading Mahindra Auto Service Center in Nepal. Located at Dhumbarahi, Pipalbot, Kathmandu.